First reason is if you're ever sued, a creditor loves to see a lot of cash in the balance sheet, right? So let's talk about two things. There's two reasons, all right, listen up. This is super important because I'm surprised how many people I have to tell this. Is there's two reasons typically why you don't want to keep a lot of cash in your business bank account, right? Obviously, you need enough cash to pay your expenses, your employees, payroll. If you have a big capital expenditure, you want to buy a new truck, a new car, whatever, you need cash in the business bank account. We get that. But anything in excess of that should be transferred over to your personal. Again, two reasons why. First reason is if you're ever sued, a creditor loves to see a lot of cash in the balance sheet, right? They're a little bit more incentivized to go after you, right? Obviously, if the cash is no longer at the business, it's at the personal level, at the personal entity, well, then you have to deal with the corporate veil. Hopefully you have your books in order. You're not commingling assets, right? So it's a little harder to get to you personally. I'm not saying they can't do that. It's just a little bit harder, okay? That's first reason is liability issues. And number two is because typically these accounts right here, this business bank account, typically offer horrible yields. Okay. So I bank with Bank of America. I don't know. For some reason, Chase didn't like me, but I bank with Bank of America, and Bank of America gives me a 0.001% rate on my cash. It's completely trash, right? So what I always tell people is that, hey, remove or distribute excess cash to your personal bank account and get yourself a higher yield. Okay. So just transfer the money out from your business bank account over to the personal bank account, right? Two reasons, right? Those are very simple two reasons.